It's crazy. Fucking
Mistake that shit for tears, now bitch, I can stand that rain. Cause I still locked in sales press up, you don't lose your brain. I be working day and night till the progress right, like shit, how you still be sane? I'm a motherfucking go-getter. Nigga ain't got no swear, for them get that bag. Paparazzi made a hoes well. Bro back home on time, said you tryna do bad. I said do it your own leisure. When he said that shit kinda made me mad, cause you see what I'm on, tryna do better. Nigga be poking, watching, like did you get paid today? Going outside like how the fuck you man, I get paid off 8 weeks. Broke her off with a whole couple weeks ago, but I hope she doing great. See I put her on, that's playing my song, like she wish that shit would change. Feeling way too geeked and I can't come down. My demons got a drop on me, got me tripping shit like what's that sound? I couldn't hang with niggas like you can't hang with no class clown. Nigga be swearing it up but down, ain't money been lost, not found. Work with me, come get some real money. Said he could've been lit, could've been rich. Read the fine print and the deal bummy. Had them questioning, do they still want me? Would they still love me? And it's fucked up, I remember you calling me sonny. Mistake that shit for tears, now bitch, I can stand that rain. Cause I still locked in sales press up, you don't lose your brain. I be working day and night till the progress right, like shit, how you still be sane? I'm a motherfucking go-getter. Nigga ain't got no swear, so them get that back. Paparazzi made a hoes well. Bro back home